Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you a remote starter installed on Porsche Cayenne 2017 with a factory remote. So on the factory remote, we're going to press the lock button 3 times. The vehicle will receive the command and the car will start. The vehicle will be running for a preset time that we have set in the system. Every customer has different requests. The vehicle will be staying locked, so nobody can enter the vehicle, drive away, do anything. You do have a way to drive without shutting off the vehicle. So if you have the factory remote with you, when you approach the vehicle, touch the door the same as you did before. If your vehicle has the touch door, enter the car, turn the key once, press the brake, and then you can drive. The remote starter for Porsche and other vehicles is available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.